The case of R.V. Ahluwalia is an important case in English law as it helped shape the law on voluntary manslaughter, with regards to those who are subjected to domestic abuse over a period of time who go on to kill their abusive partners. It was decided under the old law of provocation, which proved unsuccessful for the defendant. It was a landmark case in relation to diminished responsibility, with the court recognizing battered woman syndrome as a medical condition giving rise to the defense. This case, along with R.V. Thornton, also led to the Law Commission reviewing the law on voluntary manslaughter, which resulted in changes introduced in the Coroners and Justice Act 2009. The Coroners and Justice Act 2009 repealed the law on provocation and replaced it with the defense of loss of control, which attempted to address some of the gender bias that existed under the law of provocation. The facts. The appellant poured petrol and caustic soda onto her sleeping husband and then set fire to him. He died 6 days later from his injuries. The couple had an arranged marriage, and the husband had been violent and abusive throughout the marriage. He was also having an affair. On the night of the killing, he had threatened to hit her with an iron and told her that he would beat her the next day if she did not provide him with money. At her trial, she admitted killing her husband but raised the defense of provocation. However, the jury convicted her of murder. She appealed on the grounds that the judge's direction to the jury relating to provocation was wrong and that R.V. Duffy should be overruled. She also raised the defense of diminished responsibility. The decision. Her conviction for murder was quashed and a retrial was ordered for a jury to determine the issue of diminished responsibility. The CPS did not pursue the retrial given that she had already spent 7 years in prison. Legal reasoning. The judge's direction on provocation was correct. The Duffy direction was still good law, and the judge had directed the jury on the issue of the abuse suffered by the appellant, and thus the jury would have considered the effect of this in reaching their verdict. The appeal on the grounds of provocation was therefore unsuccessful. However, the appeal was allowed on the grounds of diminished responsibility, recognizing that battered woman syndrome could give rise to an abnormality of the mind.
This video is part of a series of videos on law from www.e-lawresources.co.uk. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel www.youtube.com/@e-lawresources. It's free to do so and will help us to keep providing these videos. Check out our website, which provides lecture outlines and case summaries. See also www.elawrevision.org.uk for revision games and quizzes. Thanks for watching.